Introducing the Ninja Blast Portable Blender, a sleek and powerful companion for your on-the-go lifestyle. With a 160-watt motor, it easily crushes ice and frozen fruit, creating smoothies in under 30 seconds. Its 18,000 mAh battery delivers up to 15 blends per charge, and with its compact design, it's perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, or quick meals at work. Priced at around $50, the Ninja Blast offers convenience and power in a stylish, portable package, ensuring you can enjoy fresh blends anytime, anywhere. Meet the Ofuzzi H8 Apex, a sleek and lightweight handheld vacuum designed for effortless cleaning around your home or car. Weighing just 1.23 pounds, it's easy to maneuver and features a powerful 130-watt brushless motor with 2 suction modes to tackle dirt and debris. Equipped with a 4,000 mAh battery, the H8 Apex provides up to 30 minutes of runtime on Eco mode, ensuring you can complete multiple cleaning tasks without interruptions. Its washable HEPA filter adds to its durability, while the quiet operation keeps the noise at a low 70 dB, making every clean a peaceful one, all for just $85. This Roomba Combo 10 Max Plus AutoWash is a cutting-edge hybrid cleaner designed for the ultimate hands-free experience. With 5,000 pascals of suction power and the innovative AutoWash system, it vacuums and mops simultaneously, while washing the mop to ensure spotless floors. Its advanced mapping technology learns your home layout, customizing cleaning routes for efficiency, and it's compatible with voice assistants like Alexa and Google. Priced around $1,400, this device makes maintaining a clean home easier than ever, offering a nearly effortless solution to your cleaning routine. Step into the future with the Gyroor S300 Hovershoes, a perfect blend of fun and technology for those who love to ride in style. Powered by dual 350-watt motors, these Hovershoes offer speeds of up to 6.2 miles per hour and a range of 6.2 miles on a single charge. Their compact, lightweight design with LED lights makes them easy to carry and exciting to use, while the self-balancing technology ensures a smooth, stable ride for both beginners and experts. Priced at around $299, the S300 is your ticket to a thrilling and effortless ride. The Katchy Indoor Insect Trap is a sleek and compact solution for keeping your home pest-free. Equipped with a UV light to attract mosquitoes, gnats, and moths, it uses a fan to draw them in and sticky glue boards to trap them for good. With its chemical-free design and silent operation, it's safe to use around children and pets, making it perfect for any household. Covering up to 320 square feet, this efficient trap is priced at $46, offering a blend of style and functionality to keep your living space comfortable. Meet the Rokid AR Glasses, a lightweight and immersive way to experience augmented reality in everyday life. With dual micro-OLED displays offering stunning full HD clarity, they bring virtual objects to life in your world. Weighing just 83 grams, these foldable glasses connect seamlessly via USB-C to your smartphone or laptop, transforming everything from gaming to productivity with ease. Priced at around $500, they deliver a sleek and comfortable design paired with advanced gesture controls and built-in speakers for a truly interactive experience. This Dwarf 2 Smart Telescope is a compact yet powerful tool that brings the universe closer to you with its advanced refractor design and dual-lens camera. It features a 48-megapixel wide-angle lens and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens, perfect for capturing stunning views of celestial wonders or everyday scenery. With built-in AI, it tracks and recognizes objects automatically, and its portability makes it ideal for stargazing on the go. Priced at $450, it's a smart and accessible way to explore the night sky from your backyard or beyond. The Philips Go Zero Smart UV bottle is your perfect companion for safe and refreshing hydration. With a 20-ounce capacity, this sleek bottle uses UVC light to eliminate up to 99.99% of bacteria and viruses, ensuring your water is clean in just 60 seconds. Its double-walled stainless steel keeps drinks cold for 24 hours or hot for 12, and a rechargeable battery powers the UV light for up to a month. Priced at $75, this self-cleaning, leak-proof bottle is designed for both convenience and peace of mind, wherever your adventures take you. Meet the Miniproca all-in-one mini PC, a compact powerhouse featuring an AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX processor and a stunning 7-inch touchscreen. With up to 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and storage options reaching 2 TB NVMe SSD, this tiny device is built for high performance. Its sleek aluminum chassis houses vapor chamber cooling and multiple connectivity ports, including USB 4 and HDMI 2.1, making it perfect for productivity on the go. Starting at $699, the Miniproca blends portability with cutting-edge technology, ideal for both work and entertainment. This is the latest Echo Dot 5th generation, a smart speaker designed to elevate your everyday life with clearer vocals, deeper bass, and vibrant sound in a compact, spherical design. Powered by the AZ2 Neural Edge processor, it responds faster to Alexa commands while keeping your smart home in sync. With dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity, and a built-in temperature sensor, it's perfect for controlling music, devices, and more. Priced at $50, it offers seamless functionality with a sleek fabric finish and 3 stylish colors. The Rux Robot is a charming desktop assistant that combines fun and functionality in one sleek package. Powered by a quad-core A55 processor, it offers a 2.1-inch display, a 5-megapixel wide-angle camera, and bipedal mobility for lifelike interactions. With features like ChatGPT integration, gesture recognition, and smart home control, Rux is perfect for productivity and entertainment. Priced at $299, this little robot can sing, dance, provide reminders, and even engage in intelligent conversations, making it a versatile companion for both work and play. This is the Polk Signa S4 soundbar, a sleek 3.1.2 channel system that brings immersive Dolby Atmos sound to your living room. With its powerful 200-watt output, including a wireless subwoofer and up-firing drivers, it delivers crisp dialogue and rich cinematic audio. Whether you're watching movies, streaming music, or catching up on shows, the HDMI IRC and Bluetooth connectivity make it easy to enjoy high-quality sound. Priced around $399, the Signa S4 combines advanced audio technology with a design that fits seamlessly into any home. Meet the Vera AI Brisket Grill, a state-of-the-art wood pellet grill designed for an effortless cooking experience powered by advanced artificial intelligence. With 580 square inches of cooking space and an AI that generates recipes and adapts to your needs, this grill makes everything from smoking to char grilling simple. Its smart grill control allows remote management via a mobile app, ensuring precise temperatures and real-time updates. Priced at around $700, the Brisket Origin 580 offers versatility, ease of use, and cutting-edge technology for grill enthusiasts of all skill levels. This is the KitchenAid Artisan Tilt-Head Stand Mixer, a kitchen staple that combines power and versatility to tackle all your mixing needs. With its 325-watt motor and 5-quart stainless steel bowl, it's perfect for making big batches of dough or batter. The tilt-head design allows easy access to the bowl, while the flat beater, dough hook, and wire whip attachments handle everything from kneading to whipping. Priced at $460, this durable and stylish mixer is available in a range of colors to suit your kitchen. The Bestier Fireplace TV stand is a perfect blend of modern style and cozy warmth, designed to enhance any living room. With a 55-inch width and a sturdy frame, it supports TVs up to 65 inches, while offering adjustable shelves for media devices and decor. The 23-inch electric fireplace insert provides 4,600 BTUs of heat, warming spaces up to 400 square feet, with customizable flame settings for the perfect ambiance. Priced at $320, this stand combines functionality with a touch of elegance, making it a stylish centerpiece for your home. This Black Rain electric pepper mill is a sleek and powerful tool designed to elevate your cooking experience with precision and ease. With just a one-touch operation, you can effortlessly grind pepper while adjusting the coarseness to your preference using 5 preset levels. The built-in LED light ensures perfect seasoning every time, and the rechargeable battery offers hours of use. Priced at $199, this high-performance mill blends modern design with durable materials, making it a must-have for any kitchen. Meet the Reolink Argus 4 Pro, a wireless outdoor security camera that delivers crisp 2K Super HD video with a wide 122-degree field of view. Equipped with Starlight Night Vision, it ensures clear images even in low light, while the built-in PIR sensor detects motion up to 30 feet away. With two-way audio and remote app control, you can monitor your home in real time and receive instant alerts. Priced at $170, this weatherproof camera offers reliable security with a rechargeable battery and optional solar power for continuous use. This is the Denvix Portable Tire Inflator, a compact and powerful cordless device designed to handle all your inflation needs. With a 120-watt motor and a maximum pressure of 150 psi, it can inflate a standard car tire from 0 to 35 psi in under 5 minutes. The built-in rechargeable battery offers convenient USB-C charging, and its digital LCD screen makes it easy to select preset modes for different vehicles. Priced at $69.99, this inflator is perfect for on-the-go use, complete with an LED light and safety features for emergencies. The Petlibro Polar Wet Food Feeder is an innovative solution for keeping your pet's wet food fresh and ready. With its semiconductor cooling technology, this feeder maintains food at under 50 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring freshness for up to 3 days. It allows for up to 3 customizable meals per day, easily managed through a smartphone app, and even features backup power for added security. Priced at $130, the Polar Feeder offers convenience and peace of mind, making it perfect for busy pet owners who want the best for their furry companions. The Miko Dual Shiatsu Foot Massager is designed to deliver deep kneading relief with adjustable intensity settings and optional soothing heat therapy. Its air compression targets the top and sides of your feet, providing full coverage from heel to toe. Lightweight and portable, it features an easy-to-use control panel and fits up to men's size 12. Priced at $150, this massager offers a customizable, spa-like experience from the comfort of your home, complete with removable, washable foot covers for easy care. The Bissell Little Green Machine is a powerful and portable carpet cleaner designed to tackle tough spots and stains on carpets, upholstery, and more. With a 48-ounce clean water tank and strong suction power, it makes quick work of stubborn messes. The included tough stain tool and hydro rinse feature to ensure a deep clean, while its eco-friendly design incorporates recycled plastic. Priced at $130, this compact cleaner offers convenience and efficiency for everyday cleaning tasks. This is the Elegrp Smart Outdoor Plug, a weatherproof solution that brings convenience to your outdoor spaces with Wi-Fi connectivity and dual outlets. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, it allows for hands-free voice control, while the Elegrp app lets you set schedules and timers and monitor energy usage. With its IP64 weather-resistant design, it's built to handle the elements, making it perfect for outdoor lighting and appliances. Priced at $27, this smart plug combines durability with modern functionality for effortless outdoor management. The Magicteam White Noise Machine is a compact device designed to create the perfect environment for relaxation and sleep. Offering 20 non-looping sounds, including white noise, ocean waves, and rain, it provides 32 levels of adjustable volume for personalized comfort. Its portable design, USB power, and memory function make it perfect for both home and travel. Priced at $30, this minimalist machine ensures a peaceful atmosphere, whether you need to relax, focus, or sleep. The Silicone Mini Oven. Mitts is a compact kitchen essential designed for handling hot pots, pans, and baking dishes with ease. Made from 100% food-grade silicone, they offer heat resistance up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, while their non-slip grip and ergonomic design ensure secure and comfortable handling. Lightweight and dishwasher safe, these mitts are perfect for everyday use, with a convenient hanging loop for easy storage. Priced at $13, they bring safety and style to your cooking routine. This is the Urban Armor Gear Case, a rugged yet lightweight protector designed to shield your device from drops and shocks with military-grade protection. Combining a hard outer shell with a soft impact-resistant core, it features raised edges for extra screen and camera safety, while the enhanced grip ensures secure handling. With oversized tactile buttons and compatibility with wireless charging, this case offers both style and functionality. Priced at $80, it comes in various colors and series to suit your tastes and needs.